Hey there, fellow wanderlust enthusiasts. Guess where I am? You got it. Italy, the land of pizza, pasta, and picturesque landscapes. If you're thinking of planning a trip to this dreamy destination, you've come to the right place. I'm here to be your virtual tour guide to the wonders of Italy. So grab your gelato and let's dive right in. Welcome to Italia, where history, culture, and food intertwine to create a truly unique experience. Our first stop is the Eternal City, Rome. Get ready to unleash your inner historian as we explore iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, Vatican City, and the Trevi Fountain. Pro tip, make a wish and throw a coin in the fountain for good luck. Who knows, you might just find your Italian prince charming. Next up, we're headed to the art haven of Italy, Florence. Prepare to be blown away by Michelangelo's breathtaking masterpiece David at the Galleria dell'Accademia. Don't forget to indulge in some retail therapy as you explore the fashionable streets filled with Italian craftsmanship. Whether it's leather goods or designer fashion, Florence has something to satisfy every shopaholic's cravings. Sun, sea, and sheer beauty, that's what the Amalfi Coast is all about. Imagine driving along the winding cliffside roads, soaking in panoramic views of colorful houses perched on the hillsides, and savoring fresh seafood caught right from the Mediterranean Sea. This is the paradise you've always dreamt of. Make sure to visit the charming towns of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello for an unforgettable experience. The divine taste of Italy. Italian cuisine is a world-renowned delicacy that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. Whether it's indulging in a cheesy margherita pizza in Naples, devouring homemade pasta in Bologna, or satisfying your sweet tooth with a creamy gelato in Florence, every bite will leave you wanting more. Just remember to save some space for tiramisu. Trust me, it's bellissimo. Last but not least, we arrive at the city of mystery and romance, Venice. Explore the labyrinth of canals on a gondola ride, admire the intricate architecture of St. Mark's Basilica, and get lost in the magical alleys of this floating city. Don't forget to visit during the famous Carnival of Venice and embrace the enchanting atmosphere as you wander amidst majestic masquerades. Italy, a country that will capture your heart and leave you yearning for more. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, every corner has a story to tell. So start planning your Italian adventure and prepare for a truly unforgettable journey. Ciao for now.